A high quality minimal sneaker that you can wear every day? Let's talk about Koio. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Josh Dominic. I review sneakers, and in this video, I'll be telling you all about the Koio Capri in this all over white colorway. So this category of sneaker, which is your luxury minimalist white sneaker, it's not typically a category I've reviewed much on this channel, but I am definitely excited to check these out. Koio did send me these, and they were kind enough to give you guys, my viewers, an exclusive discount. You can use the code JOSHDOMINIC15 to get 15% off the entire website. Thanks to Koio for the code. I will link that down below. So now let's get into the review. Now this type of shoe, which is your white, slim, minimalist, low profile, luxury sneaker, it was pretty much kickstarted by Common Projects several years ago with their sneaker, the Achilles Low. And since then, several different brands have joined this market, including Koio back in 2014. The shoes do come in this minimalist looking box with the logo on top, and you also get this very nice canvas dust bag. My first thought when I took these shoes out the box was I was immediately impressed by the leather quality on this. Yeah, I'm definitely not dealing with Nikes anymore. These sneakers are in fact handmade in Tuscany, Italy, with every sneaker taking up to 4 hours to produce. In fact, every single component of this shoe is made in Italy, including the box. The leather, you can tell just by touching it, it is some very high quality leather. So good in fact that it won the Gear Patrol Style Award 2023 for Best Overall Leather Sneaker. And I did mention earlier that these sneakers were handcrafted, and in fact the craftsmen that make this shoe are the same craftsmen that work for some of the biggest luxury brands in the world, including Chanel. But Koio is able to charge much lower prices than those brands because they do sell their products directly to consumers. Now this is the most popular sneaker that the brand sells, the Capri Low. They did make some updates to the sneaker last year, including giving it a wider toe box, and this shoe is a perfect alternative to the Common Projects Achilles Low, which retails for almost $200 higher. And from pretty much every single review video I've watched of people comparing the Koios to the Common Projects, the consensus is that the quality is pretty much the same between these two shoes, except that the Koios are a lot cheaper. You have very minimal branding on the sneaker. You see the Koio New York logo embossed onto the tongue. A little bit of branding can be seen on the heel of the shoe as well, and also on the insole, which by the way is an ortholite insole for that extra bit of comfort. You also get a margum outsole here, which is pretty much the standard when it comes to luxury footwear. It's made out of a very high quality durable rubber, and you'll notice that the outsole is in fact stitched into the upper of the shoe rather than glued onto the upper that we see on much more cheaper models. The shoes come with some waxed cotton laces as well, some flat laces. Now when it comes to sizing, Koio does recommend on their website to go down a size. They do not make half sizes in this sneaker, so especially if you're in between sizes, you have a half size, you definitely want to be sizing down. I ended up getting the sneaker in my true size because I have never worn a pair of Koios before. I wear a US 11, and definitely the shoes do fit me kind of loose. I wish I would have gone down a full size here. There is quite a bit of room in the toe box as well as some heel slippage, so I definitely don't suggest going true to size in this. You want to be going down a full size. The shoes are surprisingly very comfortable on feet. The leather is very soft, so that has a lot to do with it, and the ortholite insole as well definitely helps. So overall, if you're just looking for a clean pair of white sneakers, you don't like logos, want something high quality, and also something that will look just as good 10 years down the road, not having to worry about these going out of style, yeah, I would definitely suggest giving Koio a shot. And of course, once again, if you are interested in buying this product, go ahead and use my code and you will be able to secure 15% off. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and supporting my content. Make sure you check me out on Instagram. That is where I am the most active. And also my sneaker podcast. The links can be found in the description. Thank you guys once again for supporting my content. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.